Hi, MK here, bringing you another video. Still on the intakes here. Got these three done. Not actually. Let me rephrase that. I got these three cut. Need to go back over them with the sanding bit on the lower half, on the head side. Got these two cut. Need to do a little bit more on this one. Got these two cut though. Need to finish these two, and then also do the head. We're gonna do some more time lapse, and then take apart the head as well and start on that. Stay tuned. Cheers. Alrighty, we got all these pretty much good. As you can see there, got them all to my liking. Now to disassemble the head and port and polish that. Cheers. Keep it coming. Alright, so we're down in the basement down here with the 16 valve head. Plan on go ahead and, taking the cams out, taking the valves out, taking the coolant neck off right here, exhaust manifold, distributor, everything. I'm gonna take it all apart. That way I can port and polish it, and then I'll start by buying my valves, buying my lifters. Probably gonna do different cams. Send this off to the the machine shop, get it resurfaced, cleaned, etc. But right now, obviously, like I said, we're gonna go ahead and get it out of there. I've never taken apart a 16 valve head before, so this is gonna be new to me. Take the plastic water neck off there too. So stay tuned. I got the time lapse already rolling here. Yeah, we'll get to it. Cheers. Good thing we're taking this apart, because the valve guys in there were shot. So that's a good thing. We're gonna push these valves out, and this head will be disassembled almost, and we're good to go. We'll start porting and polishing it. All right, we got the head down. I'm gonna have to get these extracted, or the heads of those stripped, and I'll just cut the damn coolant neck here fucking broke. Like, I don't understand that, but I guess I was tapping on it. But that is what it is. We'll have to get another one of those. Exhaust is out. I'm gonna have to get all the studs removed. And yeah, We're gonna get to porting and polishing this unit. Completely bare. Got my cams and stuff in that box. Valves here. I probably won't use any of these, although they're good. If you're gonna build a motor, why put the stock stuff back in it, you know? That's how I feel. But yeah, we'll port and polish this unit, and then we'll send it to a machine shop. But I'll probably start ordering parts here pretty soon once I start. Excuse me, once I get back from vacation. So we'll get this started soon. After it's ported and polished, it'll go to the machine shop. Have them put it together and go from there. But here's that. Cheers. Thank y'all for staying tuned. Ciao.